Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw XDC from Trust Wallet to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just need a quick refresh, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your XDC safely and efficiently. XDC, or Zinfand's digital currency, is popular for its fast transactions, and transferring it between wallets is easier than you might think. But remember, crypto involves risks, so always double-check your steps to avoid any mishaps. First things first, make sure you have the Trust Wallet app installed on your device and that your XDC is already in your Trust Wallet. Also, ensure your Coinbase wallet is set up and ready to receive funds. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the XDC token in your wallet. You'll see a list of your assets. Tap on XDC to select it. If you don't see XDC, you might need to add it as a custom token first. Step 2. Once you're in the XDC section, hit the Send button. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's address. Now, switch over to your Coinbase Wallet app. Go to the XDC section in Coinbase, tap on Receive, and copy the wallet address provided. Pro tip: double-check that you're using the correct network, like the Shin-Fin network, to avoid failed transactions. Step 3. Back in Trust Wallet, paste the Coinbase wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of XDC you want to withdraw, making sure to leave enough for any network fees. Review the details carefully. Fees can vary based on network congestion in 2025, so keep an eye on that. Step 4. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your wallet's security features, like Face ID or a PIN. Once sent, you'll get a transaction ID. Now, wait for it to process. It usually takes a few minutes, but could be longer depending on the network. Finally, head back to your Coinbase wallet and refresh to see your XDC arrive. Congratulations, you've successfully withdrawn your XDC. If you run into any issues, check for common errors like incorrect addresses or wrong networks. Always prioritize security by using hardware wallets for larger amounts. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.